More breaking news. A federal judge has just ruled that former White House counsel Don McGahn must testify before Congress. Now, this is a potential game changer in the impeachment inquiry. Paula Reid is at the White House and has been reading through this 120-page ruling as quickly as she can. But Paula, break down, what's the significance of this?
Nora, this long-awaited decision is a win for Democrats because it effectively pierces the White House's long-standing effort to block current and former officials from cooperating with House investigators. And Nora, in reading through this, I was struck that the judge specifically said that no matter how busy or essential a presidential aide might be, the president cannot excuse that official from complying with the law. But CBS News has learned that the Justice Department intends to appeal this ruling. So this decision, which many Democrats tonight are celebrating, may just be a temporary win.
But Paula, this not only affects the former White House counsel Don McGahn, right? Does this mean we could hear from other top administration officials who have refused to testify to Congress?
That's the big question tonight. Will this apply to, for example, Acting Chief of Staff Mick Mulvaney or former National Security Advisor John Bolton? Now, a source familiar with Mulvaney's legal strategy tells me he will not comply with any of these decisions. His team believes that if executive privilege applies to anyone, it's Mick Mulvaney. But it's still an open question as to whether this will impact former National Security Advisor John Bolton. He's recently reemerged on Twitter. Seems to be a man with something to say, but so far his lawyer has not replied to my questions about whether they intend to comply with this. But ultimately, this is a question, Nora, that could go all the way to the Supreme Court.
A significant development tonight. Thank you, Paula.